Can you name one irritating song right now?
Anything from Dhurandhar, man. I know, like I dropped like
What is the biggest misconception for a DJ?
life badi fun hai unki.
How much money does a DJ usually make in India?
From 1,000 rupees for a show to 25 lakhs
For a show?
Yeah.
For a show.
Hi guys, I am Amanpreet Kaur
And I'm Bhavika.
and you're watching.
Wholemates.
Welcome to yet another podcast, guys. Today we have a person who literally runs your nights, who basically brings the vibe to the stage. And if you have partied around in India, I'm sure you must have definitely seen this guy. Today we have Kalsi with us, who is a very renowned DJ and also a music producer. Welcome to
Kalsi
our
on our podcast.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for having me here.
What's up? How's life? Were you in Delhi? Have you traveled from Chandigarh? Oh, by the way, guys, he's from Chandigarh.
Chandigarh, yeah.
And yeah,
We
tell
also
us.
got to know it today only.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So
don't know.
I just basically got here and I'm here for the podcast. Barely got a chance to have a look at myself. I hope I'm looking all right.
Guys, since the moment he has entered, I am noticing his hair color. It's so cool. It's so cool.
super fancy.
And he got it done for the...
For the podcast.
for the podcast, and we
Yeah.
are literally shook.
And I was happy because people don't admit that. I mean,
Yeah.
that's so sweet.
That's
And
actually
I love your hair color. And I love it. It's so cool.
I'm in my red hair color
hair,
baddie
redhead
era.
baddie era. So we were also judging him like, did you go through any breakup or what? Because we girls do that a lot. She did it.
You remember? I just had that and then I was like, I'll just go color my hair.
Yeah. Any little adversity and Khushi is coloring her hair.
Shut up. Okay. So let's dive into the podcast.
Podcast, yeah.
Since you're a DJ,
Yeah.
tell us ये कैसे मन में आया कि I want to become a DJ. Was it just for the vibes या आपने किसी को देखा या फिर ये बचपन से ही था कि मम्मा DJ बनूंगा?
I mean, it was actually from the childhood. So when I was
Wow.
14 or something,
Okay.
I used to write songs. I tried to do a bit of rapping. I sucked at it horribly, so I stopped.
Yeah.
But while I was rapping, I realized I have to purchase beats.
Yeah.
And I did not have the money. So I was like, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to learn how to make my own beats. So I made my own beats. And then I found this producer, Skrillex. He's a well-known DJ
Yeah.
globally.
Yes.
And I was like, man, this guy is hella cool. And I want to be like him. I want to play my music to the people. So instead of, getting more into the rap side, I came to the dark side. Apparently.
So he
That's
was your
so cool.
inspiration.
Yeah,
That's so
Skrillex
cool.
is like my
So
biggest.
was it always that you wanted to become a DJ or a producer? कैसे था? मतलब DJ ही करना है, DJing करना है या producing करना है? क्या था?
The thing is, as a producer, you barely get opportunities to really showcase your music. Because, let's say
That's true.
I'm making a song, even if it's with Weekend, right?
Hmm.
It could be featuring, maybe I'll get a feature on the track title, but not more than that. But when you're a DJ, you actually go out and you get to play that stuff for the people. So I was like, I want to be out there. I want to, connect with the people who like my music.
Hmm.
And that's how I figured out that, I think I need to go and start performing.
So when
Right.
was your first time, playing the DJ? पहली बार कब आपने play किया?
It's a
What
story.
was your
man.
age?
I was 16.
16?
Yeah.
My
I was-
God, not even 18.
We guys don't even think until we are 20 or 19 years old that we have to do this,
Was it
this
a
thing
paid
in our
gig?
life.
Oh, it was. It wasn't highly paid though, I'll be very honest. But they
That's
took care
awesome.
of the expenses at
But
least.
I mean, at 16, you've been actually fulfilling your dream. That's really, really.
It was a very surreal feeling. So it was
is.
not just a DJ set, it was also like a live thing that I do. So,
Okay.
it's like a live production and a DJ setup. It's a very hybrid thing. I'm not doing that right now because I think, right now we're catering to like bigger audiences and I just don't want there to be any room for error. So I'm taking my time, I'm perfecting that set as well. And maybe I'll be bringing that across on table as well. But yeah, it was a hybrid set. I was 16, super nervous. It was in Delhi, Hoskas, I believe,
Okay.
somewhere in Hoskas.
Did you F it up a little bit here and there or was it
No,
bang on? I
not
mean,
at all.
Wow.
Not at all. I was surprised. I met so many amazing musicians that night, rappers, because that was more of a hip hop and electronic set, very indie. So I met a lot of amazing indie musicians who are now super big stars right now.
तो you know what I feel
Hmm.
भाविका अपने जब आप करियर में कुछ ऐसे फर्स्ट टाइम करते हो जब मैंने भी फर्स्ट टाइम कोई वीडियो शूट की थी बीइंग अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर या तो जब इतना अच्छा ऐसे रिव्यूज आते हैं, आपको पता है आपने कहीं पे भी कुछ फकअप नहीं किया, सब कुछ प्रॉपर, ऐसा लगता है फाड़ दिया यार मैंने,
Yeah.
मतलब यस, जैसे वो फीलिंग ही बहुत डिफरेंट होती है, लाइक आई लव व्हाट आई डू एंड आई एम गुड एट व्हाट आई डू, आई मीन दैट्स द ड्रीम
That's
ब्रो,
so
Yeah.
good actually.
that's the dream, that's like, I hats off to you.
I
That's
just
really
hope
good.
it was not people being nice to me.
What was the biggest turning point of your career
When I met
when people started recognizing you कि हाँ ये है कलसी, मतलब इसको हम जानते हैं, इसकी नाइट है, इसकी नाइट पे जाना है?
that definitely happened after I met Prateek Jindal. So he was the guy who so I used to post a lot of reels on the internet. So I was doing a production and a lot of Bollywood flips on the internet, and I was putting out these reels, and one of them was liked or shared by Raftar, and
Oh,
yeah,
That's huge.
and then Prateek Jindal discovered me through that. He drops me a text. Back then my stage name used to be Help. Very lame. I was 16.
help.
Yeah, but when I met Prateek, I was
This was when did you meet Prateek?
when I was 24.
Okay.
So about a year ago, I guess. So and then he's like, what, you have talent. Why are you not doing shows, where you deserve to be? And I'm like, I don't have the connection. I exactly don't know where to start. And he's like, let's get you to Tune Man. And that's how things started to happen for me.
Okay,
I was-
sorry, I'm interrupting. So this moment was the moment when you felt like this is my
Yeah, this
time
is
and
it.
This is my moment,
Yeah.
and I've begun now.
Had to. I was literally, I was working a corporate job at that time, and Prateek called me up. I was in a meeting.
Hmm.
I hate to admit it, but I, basically pretended to, I don't have my signals off or some shit like that. And can we like use cuss words? Maybe we can like beep them out.
Yeah, you can use
We
this.
beep them out. Okay. Maybe whatever you guys like. I'll try to keep it PG friendly. मेरी language थोड़ी सी गंदी है. So then I found out कि and then I pretended that मेरा network सही नहीं है guys. I go out, I speak to Prateek. Within half an hour, I'm like, okay, I am getting this offer from TuneMan to be signed with them as an artist. Do I want to do this job? Absolutely not. Is this my chance to finally do what I want? That was it. And I guess
To find a helping hand and to find the right
Right
person at the right time, बिल्कुल आपके करियर में, आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट थिंग. बहुत ही, आई थिंक बहुत रेयर होता है, बट अगर ये हो जाए, दैट्स ग्रेट. आई थिंक यू फाउंड हिम exactly at the time when you actually wanted him. You were
Actually,
fed up
yeah.
of your job and you were like,
super fed up.
fuck this PPT shit, man.
Hell
I'm
yeah,
doing
man.
it 5 times a week and I'm done with this, bro. Now
Crypto marketing, man.
I'm
I
done
swear.
with this. एक तो beep
But
कर
then I
देना.
also believe that destiny plays a huge role here.
Huge role. But I also think like it's just luck. नहीं
It's
मिलते.
luck, but it's your मेहनत.
But it's
also.
you
your karma
as well.
also.
Maybe, I don't know. I think it's because there's a lot of people who are very talented.
No, but I
But you are
cannot
talented
believe
as
somebody
well.
who's literally 16 years old and trying to fulfill his dreams, thinking about even fulfilling his dreams, and something that is. Do you have what family background you come from?
I come
Something.
from-
This is something different you are doing.
Yeah,
right?
it's very
completely
Yeah.
different.
completely.
मैंने किसी को भी
That's
नहीं
tough.
सुना इंडिया में, बोलता मेरा बाप डीजे था.
Honestly,
मेरे पापा
Indian
DJ थे.
parents and convincing them for this shit.
Oh,
everything.
Yeah. But luckily, my parents have been very supportive. Although, like, I come from a very normal family. Both my parents used to work.
Yeah. Parents play a
normal
very
jobs.
huge role, and I'm glad. I mean, nowadays parents have become so understanding.
Yeah.
Then I mean, came out to my mom. I was like, मेरे को अपनी ID public करनी है. क्यों करनी है? Lawyer है ना तू? कोर्ट जाओ, 30,000 ही जाओ, डेली जाओ, पैसे कमाओ. Everything was super good, and then one fine day I'm done with this shit, man. You were done with the PPTs. I was done with
With the
the
corporate.
criminals, the judges. I was just done with the pan stains in 30,000. I was like, I'm
Oh,
not
man.
doing this shit anymore.
The
I
barn
can't.
stains.
And I was like, I can't do this shit anymore, bro. And you're very lucky that you got a connection. I still do not have a connection, but I still, try to make it, and हो गया यार अपने आप धीरे
But
धीरे.
I
It
think
happens.
we all have our destiny.
I think it's just the vibes. When I was
Bhagwan.
16, I don't think I was actually thinking that, I'm going to be the biggest DJ in the world.
Exactly.
I was like, I really love doing this and I'm getting an opportunity,
But
so
you
let's just do it.
manifest it.
no,
I will be the biggest DJ in the world.
but it is in the most unexpected moments,
Yeah.
I believe, when you go.
Actually,
get there.
when it actually happens. It was just one random Tuesday afternoon.
But now see, You're taking flights to play DJ.
Yeah.
And and that's your work. Where people go to party, that's your work. I know
That's
it's
your
not glamorous. I'm sure
Not
it
at
must be
all.
very tough.
Not at
But
all.
still, I mean, it's still better than making PPTs 5 times.
100%. I'm loving this.
It does
This
not
is way
better than
better.
that, trust me.
Okay, so moving on to a personal question. How much money does a DJ usually makes in
Make.
India?
It is actually
Quite variable from
yeah,
person
the
to
bracket is
person.
very variable.
But
It
what's
could-
that bracket? The whole
anywhere
bracket.
anywhere from 1,000 rupees for a show to 25 lakhs
For a show.
Yeah,
For a show.
For a show, one
for a
show.
Yeah,
25 lakhs.
yeah. There are people who are doing that.
Uh-huh. Are you one of them?
No, definitely not. Not yet. One
You,
day.
you leave your job right now. Right now.
And this
I
is a
will
good
leave my
time to
job,
do
I
it.
swear to God. I
She's a
will.
doctor, by the way. Man, shit.
What am I doing?
But that's also very tough.
You're doing a much ethical job. I promise you that.
But you're doing a fun job.
So much fun.
That's fun.
Hell of
I mean,
fun.
fun chalta hai, ethical bhi chalta hai, but fun is
Fun.
more.
Fun is fun.
जरूर है यार, बहुत जरूरी है यार. Fun is super important.
So usually when you play for the crowd,
Yeah.
कभी ऐसे मन में आया कि shit यार आज ये play करना पड़ रहा है पर मन नहीं है ये play करने का, करना ही पड़ेगा.
Of course, when you work in the entertainment industry,
Yeah.
it is entertainment industry and
It is.
मेरा entertainment नहीं है, it's for the people,
Hmm.
right? They're paying for it. They're paying more, of course. So
But sometimes it's like you absolutely hate that song and then you have to play it. Why? Because now it's trending right now and it's like, fuck
People
this
gotta
shit, man.
listen
Get
to
over
it.
this song. I don't want to play
Do
it
you
anymore.
get
I don't
bored?
want to take shots, but man, it's crazy. There's only a couple of songs trending right now. You'll hear them everywhere. I'm tired of those, but I have to, and it's fine as long as people love it. That's my job.
Can you name one irritating song right now?
Song though you can name. You're not naming any artist.
Anything from Dhurandhar, man. I know, I dropped 3-4 edits, but come on,
Get over it, guys.
get over it. We've had enough.
But
of
yeah,
it.
that song is good. Ari is good.
Ari is super good, but then when you hear Ari 50 times a week,
He's tired of it. He's irritated now.
it's like कुछ और करते हैं यार. Let's do something.
एकदम स्टिक हो जाते हैं ना दिल्ली वाले. वही ना,
दिल्ली
कपड़े
वालों
को
को वही
पोछा बना
चाहिए.
देते हैं.
दिल्ली वालों को आज भी हनी सिंह चाहिए.
But he plays all around India also,
हाँ.
not even तो in general only I think.
Everybody
तो
wants
hook हो
Hनी Singh.
जाता है ना song के साथ तो वो हो जाता है. But ऐसे कभी हुआ है कि आज बिल्कुल मूड नहीं है प्ले करने का, बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं है, तो आपने उसकी वजह से शो कैंसिल किया हो या यू हैव फेक, मतलब गए हो बट यू हैव टू फेक इट, लाइक यू हैव टू फेक इट फॉर द क्राउड कि आज करना ही पड़ेगा, करना है
वो तो I think करना ही पड़ता होगा.
because your life it looks so glamorous. हमको लगता है डीजे यार he's just enjoying the vibes, he's having fun, इसका क्या, इसको पार्टी करनी आ गई.
Party करनी है. That's what everybody thinks.
But I
ऐसा
don't
नहीं
think
है.
it's like that.
No, it's not. If you have like shows back to back, one show is in for example in Jaipur, another one's in Delhi, and another one's in Bangalore and Hyderabad. So by the time you're you show up for the last show, you're like यार बहुत हो गया यार, आज उतनी एनर्जी नहीं आ पाएगी, बट करना पड़ता है. And luckily for me, it's been very easy because I actually enjoy the music that I play. So whenever I'm playing music, I also make sure that there is some music that I keep for myself. So I actually dance, I actually vibe. So I have to fake it in the beginning, but by the time I'm in the middle of the set, I catch on and then things are smooth from there.
Yeah, but what is the longest amount of hours that you've played in a club? Like,
Oh, in a club,
hmm,
I think it was 3.5 hours or so.
That's the longest.
till what time? 3 a.m., 2 a.m.?
It was I started around 12:30ish and I closed around 4:30ish.
My God.
Yeah,
खड़े रहना console पे all the time.
dancing.
And personally, what I've observed whenever I go for a Saturday night,
Hmm.
people are jumping on the DJs, and I'm like, fuck, bro, give them some space. He's a human. She's a human. Give them some space. I mean, that's so
You are
bad.
one of them.
No, so once what happened? I got drunk.
Okay.
So I knew the owner, and I went to the
Console
and I was
area.
like, first of all, I was super drunk. Okay, and I was like, DJ को मैंने पता क्या बोला? भैया.
Bhaiya, I'm used to that.
उसने ऐसे बोला. Excuse me. I said, भैया ये बटन मैं दबाऊंगी कैसे?
Yeah.
उसने ना इशारा मारो, इसको ले जाओ, ये
इसको
पॉज
ले
बटन
जाओ।
दबाने वाली थी ऐसे. और मुझे पता नहीं था and मैं इतनी drunk थी, I was like, उस दिन मुझे realize हुआ and उस time पे पता है इतने लोग उधर jump कर रहे थे, उसी दिन मुझे realize हुआ कि मुझे जब यहाँ पे 10 हाथ लग रहे हैं तो आप लोग कितना irritate होते होंगे
Yeah.
and to maintain your that mental
Composure at that
stamina,
time.
that composure,
Yes.
that like get the fuck out of my face, man, I'm doing my job and what are you doing? I mean, it's irritating.
It is sort of. It gets
Mhm.
overwhelming at times 100%.
Can you
Guys, please be
explain
kind
one
to
of that
DJs.
those nights which was irritating?
Oh man, I
Yeah,
was.
I want actually give me that like I want to know that experience. जैसे आप हो गया था कि बस यार अभी तो
इसके
मेरा
बाद
हो
नहीं हो
गया है,
पाएगा।
ये तो कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया.
Bro, I was playing this one show,
Hmm.
and एक तो वो console इतना छोटा था that I barely had space for myself.
Hmm.
And वहाँ पे promoter भी है, venue owner भी है, और उनके 15 दोस्त हैं. जहाँ पे
अच्छा।
2 लोग मुश्किल से खड़े हो सकते हैं, वहाँ पे एटलीस्ट 17-18 लोग खड़े हुए हैं.
Hmm.
And then everybody's super drunk and everybody's really enjoying, and I'm in charge to make sure that they're enjoying. So I look like I'm enjoying, but I'm really under pressure, right? उस time पे again somebody decided to play the pause button, and that happens very frequently. It's
Set
not.
बंद हो गया.
हाँ, वो बीच में pause हो जाता है, तो you just tap it
तो
again.
सोच सब डांस कर रहे हो सब ऐसे
You know,
हाँ.
You were about to do that, girl.
Like I'm so used to it now. Even if that happens, I'm like, it's fine. You know, if you do that one day, it's fine. The DJ knows that this is about to happen. They're expecting it.
नहीं पर मुझे नहीं पता था वो पॉज बटन है. मैंने बोला ये क्या है भैया, उतने में ही मुझे वो ले गई.
ले गई.
Curiosity
शुक्र है.
spark हो रही थी.
Okay, do looks matter more than talent in nightlife?
I think both matter a lot.
Okay.
Looks don't matter more than the talent, and talent doesn't matter more than the looks. You have to have both. You have to
Hmm.
keep doing things. You know,
Balance.
when I was not Kalsi, I had a very normal Punjabi guy beard,
Hmm.
not the mustache, not the mullet, now not the red hair.
Hmm.
Us time pe I was just a very regular looking guy, but you have to, pull things off. Pratik bhai is like, बच्चे तेरी लुक के साथ कुछ करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे तो नहीं हम तेरे को हेडलाइनर बना सकते. And I'm like, you know what, go ahead, do your thing. So करना पड़ता है,
Hmm.
but you also have to have like a lot of talent to be able to pull it off. You can't just
So
pull it
not
off.
just looks, talent also.
You have to,
matters.
yeah, absolutely.
And what about connections? Connections ज़्यादा मतलब इस इंडस्ट्री में चलते हैं या फिर talent?
Long run में talent ही रहेगा, but initially
But I
connections,
think connections are important.
they are very
I
important.
think in any industry, connections are. Don't you feel in your doctor's fraternity also to get a job
Definitely.
somewhere? I think it is very important.
Definitely, connections are important in every aspect.
Pratik is a
everywhere.
connection that he found you from
Yeah.
somewhere. He's,
It's his connections, why I got some of the initial shows and we picked
But
up.
if we keep aside DJing for a
Mhm.
while, I would love to know who is Kalsi. Like, what are you as a person?
I'm a very
Who are
boring
you as a
person. I'm a very boring person. My hobbies are watching Netflix, Formula One, your typical, one of those guys जो घर पे बैठा रहता है. Maybe I go out once in a while with my friends.
Why? Because your work is, I think, that kind.
So
कि आपका
hectic.
work ही party atmosphere
Energy
में होता
consuming
है.
है.
Yeah.
तो अब आपके लिए party क्या हो गया? वो शांत, serene, Netflix.
But I think even before
Mhm.
that, ever since I was a child, my hobbies were just video games and music production. So I would have a horrible day at school,
Hmm.
come back home and decide to make a beat.
Hmm.
As stupid as it sounds, but that was my escape.
Right.
So I think that's who I am as a person, just doing my thing.
Also, guys, he's a music producer, as we mentioned. So, would you like to, speak about it a little bit? Like, what are you producing? What's in pipeline? What have you produced? We would like to know. People would like to know.
So I was working under a different profile. Us time pe I was dropping a lot of original music, which
Yeah.
obviously did not pick up. That's why I had to change the name.
Hmm.
But after that, what I've cracked is right now the entire thing. So what I'm working on right now is an IP called Lollipop Season.
Okay.
So the whole idea of that is to push out, so let's say some tracks that we really love, like Suraj Dubha Hai Yaro.
Okay.
Everybody loves that track.
Yeah.
So I flipped it up into 140 BPM, a more fast tempo track. People love that stuff. There's a very popular edit of mine. It's Jud Don't Care.
Hmm.
Oh.
Anybody watching this, there's the most popular version of it. I think it was mine. It blew up. Really gave me, a lot of big stages. We got to headline Quake Arena, one of the biggest venues in the country.
Okay.
So, things like that. So I've done, right now I'm focused more on edits, more on the Lollipop Season vibe. But I have some originals planned. So, I'm working with some really exciting vocalists. I can't name them right now. Super good names.
Plans
So,
नहीं बताएंगे हम पहले.
अभी नहीं बताएंगे. थोड़ा सा बता सकता हूँ. So, I can maybe use this as a promotional content later
Yeah,
on.
yeah, of course.
So,
So
So-
all of this creativity came out from solitude,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah. You have to be with yourself to really, figure out what you
That's
really
true.
want.
I totally.
If you're totally distracted,
Hmm.
I don't think you will actually find your true purpose.
I agree.
Have
And-
fun. I still have a lot of fun.
You know what, I can relate to him. So when I need to make some new content, एक तो creative block आ ही
Exactly.
जाता है creators का और
100%.
artist का एक point के बाद. तो what I do is I just sit. कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए मेरे पास, फोन भी नहीं होना चाहिए, पेन पेपर में रखती हूँ साइड में एंड आई जस्ट कीप स्टेयरिंग एट द वॉल, या मैं लेट जाती हूँ पंखे को देखती हूँ. एंड व्हेन योर माइंड इज एम्प्टी, ट्रस्ट मी,
Yeah.
उस खाली घर में ही थॉट्स आते हैं. व्हेन यू आर डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, तुमको कभी भी आइडिया नहीं
नहीं,
आएगा. हम कहते हैं
you
यहाँ से
can't be
इंस्पिरेशन ले
creative.
लो, वहां से इंस्पिरेशन ले लो.
That's
इट्स
so
वेरी
true.
टफ, क्योंकि एक पॉइंट आएगा जब क्रिएटिविटी सैचुरेट हो
हो
जाए.
जाएगी.
Hmm.
तो क्या, इसीलिए सॉलिट्यूड आर्टिस्ट की लाइफ में, क्रिएटर्स की लाइफ में,
बहुत जरूरी है.
क्रिएटिविटी वाली फील्ड में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. आई थिंक दैट इज
And what
Very
was that
rightly what you
time when
said.
you were at the peak of your creativity? Like, do you have that time period in your mind that boom, this period I was
I
creating
think definitely
stuff?
the lockdown. A
Okay.
lot.
Lockdown, right?
Yeah.
For me as well.
That work did not, like, it's not out there for the public right now क्योंकि मैंने हटा दिया वो
Hmm.
सब. But that was definitely the most creative time I had. So I
For all of
experimented
us.
with different genres. I was doing pop music. I was singing. I was doing drum and bass music. I was doing house, techno, everything I was making within a span of a week.
And I think that time you do it for yourself more
Exactly.
than pleasing others. You do it for yourself, and it's so good, so comforting.
Because then you're just
That's-
enjoying yourself. This is just your thing, right?
Exactly.
So it's more like I'm just, maybe it's equivalent of reading a fun book or maybe
Hmm.
painting something for somebody like that.
Hmm.
So it was just that for me.
That's true. And now I have a little controversial question.
Go
for
on.
him. It's like when you'll have to answer them, sadly.
Come
Okay,
in.
now tell me,
Signed up for it.
is now there's this perception that is floating around कि हर कोई ये DJ बन रहा है.
Hmm.
So do you think बहुत saturated हो गई है industry? मतलब it's become very easy to become a DJ. Everybody's just कोई भी उठ के बना जा रहा है DJ. Do you feel that?
See, I have
Be honest.
I'm being very honest.
Don't
So
be diplomatic.
I think right now the thing is now, if you look at it from other perspective,
Mhm.
let's say you want to be a DJ. Let's
Mhm.
look at it like that,
Hmm.
and you have to go and play your first show. So when I was 16, when I played my first show, everybody told me that it went great, and that's why I'm here. So maybe it wasn't that great. So for somebody new to go out there and to be playing and to be doing their thing, if they really enjoy it, if they're not doing it for the gram, by the way.
Hmm.
So if you really enjoy it, I think it's okay to mess up at times. But जो actual question था कि everybody's being a DJ right now. I think easy हो गया because of the
Easy
social
हो
media.
Okay, so coming
Yeah.
back to this, are female DJs given more opportunities, or is
Not-
it not equal,
like that.
unequal? What do you feel?
I think they do get opportunities, but they also get a lot of unnecessary hate. Now, a lot of people may not agree, but
Hmm.
from what I've felt,
Hmm.
जितना pressure मेरे पे as a male,
Hate
Hmm.
of like hate. About
if
what?
they fuck up in middle of a set,
it's more.
it will be a bigger problem.
Oh, it's more like driving. It's
Sort
more
of.
like driving, bro.
Sort of.
I
No, actually, it's everywhere.
No, it's more like driving.
So-
So the other day, what happened? It's
No, it's
totally
like
out of
even in my
context.
career also.
Yeah?
They presume so. I am
Mhm.
working in a hospital and I go to my patients, talk to them. Randomly, somebody will call me nurse.
Oh my god.
Only
That's the
because
most-
I'm a female doctor. They
That's
will
the most
randomly
offensive
call
thing
me a
ever.
nurse.
I have
It's
some,
everywhere.
I
It's
have some
everywhere.
doctor friends, man, and they're some female doctors,
Yeah.
and they tell me about this.
We
कि
are,
भाई
we are very
you
pissed
know,
about this.
sister
thing.
बोल देते हैं.
हाँ, sister nurse.
Sister.
हाँ.
Sister,
Injection
Sister ये
लगा-
रास्ता
sister
का
जी.
है. Not good.
Okay, if I am working at a nursing station, doesn't make me a nurse,
nurse,
at
yeah.
all. That doesn't
I
make
love
sense.
when men, they take women's side,
I know.
and it breaks other men's egos.
This will break a lot of people's ego, but I just have to, man. Like,
Okay, is nightlife industry fake according to you?
यार शोशा तो बहुत है.
Sure.
बहुत ज़्यादा है.
But is it like fake, or is it just being diplomatic? Is it fully fake, or is it not that fake? It's just diplomatic. How?
It's just diplomatic. I think
Yeah.
everybody in the industry is a very good person. कुछ दिन पहले मैं किसी दोस्त से बात कर रहा था right outside a club. तो मैं कह रहा था कि बहुत कम अच्छे लोग मिलते हैं. And he said this one thing. He said भाई अच्छे सब है इस इंडस्ट्री में, पर ये कि ना सब अच्छे अपनी प्रायोरिटीज के हिसाब से और अपने सेल्फिश मोटिव्स के कारण है. तो जो मेरे लिए अच्छा है वो मेरे लिए हो सकता है, किसी के लिए नहीं हो सकता. सो मे बी दैट्स व्हाई इट कम्स ऑफ लाइक दैट. तो डिप्लोमेसी तो बहुत ज्यादा है, बट तो शोशा भी उतना ही है, तो चलता ही है नाइट लाइफ में यार. आई मीन आई एम यूज्ड टू इट. आई थिंक शोशा और डिप्लोमेसी है, पर इट्स नॉट एक्सट्रीमली फेक कि लोग अपनी पूरी पर्सनालिटी ही चेंज कर रहे हैं, ऐसा भी नहीं है.
एवरीबॉडी इज सो फेक दैट दे रिकॉग्नाइज कि हाँ ये फेक कर रहा है, तो ज्यादा फेकनेस
चलती नहीं है.
अच्छी
एग्जैक्टली.
भी नहीं लगती.
एवरीबॉडी इज ऑन द फेस नाउ आई फील.
इफ यू फेकिंग इट, लोग समझ जाएंगे
समझ जाते.
बहुत जल्दी, एंड देन you have to be yourself. That's the only key. If you
That's
really...
the fun part about you. What is the biggest misconception for a DJ? Like people.
And की life बड़ी fun है उनकी. पार्टियां होती हैं.
फनी है तुम लोगों की लाइफ नहीं है?
नहीं यार, ऐसे
It's
नहीं
not.
होता.
It's actually no. It's really fun. See the sets.
I
See,
feel
the-
you brother, why I'll tell you, because the
Hmm.
same thing happens with us content creators. इनको तो कैमरा सामने लगाना है और रील बनानी
But
है,
ऐसा नहीं है.
and I understand.
Can I cut you off for a second?
Yeah.
मेरी फट रही है, ठीक है? Because I'm in front of a camera right now.
Yeah.
This is this is more difficult for me than being on stage. Like I'm not even kidding. I don't think people understand how difficult this is. So DJ's life on stage, buddy, I'm living my dream. Everything apart from that, logistics. पीछे राघव बैठा हुआ है. He knows logistics में कितनी भसड़ होती है. All of that stuff, that's a nightmare.
What you see on the console, it's just a facade. उसके पीछे जो मेहनत लगी है उसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करने में पूरा, that's
If it's Kalsi, there's like at least 20 people working
I
to make
understand.
Kalsi work. और वो 20 लोगों की लाइफ कितनी बोरिंग, कितनी पैथेटिक है. हम एक दूसरे को कितनी गालियां देते हैं, हम कितनी सुनते हैं एक दूसरे से. Nobody knows that. But then at least the end result, if that comes out to be good, people love it, तो फिर ठीक है. That's what we're doing it for.
Okay, so the mental pressure, does it get overwhelming at times?
At
Is it a
times.
lot?
At times, yeah. At times it's
मैंने
really...
ऐसे सुना है जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं उनकी मेंटल हेल्थ सबसे ज्यादा मतलब खराब
Fucked up
होती है.
होती है.
Yeah, it is fucked up. You can say that. It is
That's
very...
true. That's the same with the content creators also.
Same with
Most
the
of
doctors
them.
also.
Because we're not like, I don't know, थोड़ा off topic जा
Generation ही
सकता हूँ,
off
but
है.
Off है, कुछ
no,
घपला
it's
चल
not the
रहा है.
generation. See, human बहुत different हो जाएगा. Can I talk about it?
Yes.
Please talk about whatever you
I think
feel.
humans are not designed to be this way. Like a human
Hmm.
being was never designed to be performing in front of
Hmm.
1,000 people.
Hmm.
तो जो उस पे प्रेशर होगा वो बहुत अनरियलिस्टिक है. वो हम डिजाइन नहीं है, बायोलॉजिकली हम डिजाइन नहीं है यार इतना प्रेशर झेलने के लिए.
That's true.
People who get used to it, they only make it. सब नहीं कर सकते. You can get into DJing, you can maybe DJ for like an year or so, but उसके बाद that pressure really gets to you. So you have to really figure out and देखना पड़ेगा if you really have that thick skin. तो मुश्किल है, the pressure gets overwhelming, no doubt in that, but मजा है.
What's your biggest insecurity in the industry?
People not enjoying my stuff.
Yeah.
It's not even
And
like
also to stay relevant for a long time, I feel. Isn't that a
relevancy is
feeling?
not even. I mean वही एक ही बात हो गई relevant.
Long run में सब सुनेंगे ना मेरे गाने, ऐसा होता होगा.
मतलब it's like I know I'm a producer, so I can adapt very easily. कुछ नया आ रहा है, मैं play नहीं कर सकता, मुझे नहीं मिल रहा, मैं बना के play कर दूंगा. That's not a problem. The problem is कि मैं लोगों को जब समझना बंद कर दूं. What if I'm not able to read the crowds anymore?
Exactly. That happens with us also. But what is your future plan? More of production, more of DJ? What do you want to go with?
Both.
Equal.
50-50.
So we'll be seeing a lot of you forever.
A lot of it. I've got so much music piled up. I'm just waiting from my manager to give me a thumbs up, and then we're just like push the
Give me a
throttle.
thumbs up.
Push the throttle.
And is there something else that you want to try other than DJing and production?
या कोई और passion था life में?
वो भी रह गया हो तो.
नहीं यार, I don't think so. Always been a music person.
Singing?
बातें करना बहुत पसंद है, वो मैं कर रहा
वो
हूँ.
मैं देख रही हूँ.
वो मैं कर रहा हूँ. Singing I loved. I will be doing it in my original tracks. अभी नहीं, अभी अब already.
I also love singing, but if I start singing, people will go deaf. So I.
That's
prefer
why we
shutting
have
up.
auto-tune.
Hmm.
You can ask that from a singer.
यार मैं गाती तो ठीक हूँ.
जी जी.
Better than a lot of people. I've not even heard her sing, but I'm telling you, better than a lot of people.
Delulu is the only Salulu.
दिलुलु में रहिएगा.
Okay, one final question, and this is a personal question from my side. After this, we'll move to the rapid fire. What, according to you, is a good DJ? Who, according to you, is a good DJ? किसको आप एक अच्छा DJ बोलोगे?
The one who can read the room and make the crowd
Pull the
dance.
crowd.
right? Yeah, that's it.
Pull the
Right.
crowd.
इतना कुछ रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. It's very simple. लोग नाच रहे हैं, लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. You know what to deliver. Perfect. You know.
You know, I saw this reel yesterday. I think DJ के ऊपर ही थी ये reel. So there's I think somebody who is a DJ and he was like कि DJs keep on saying कि क्या यार तुमने मुझे 5-10 लोगों के बीच में खड़ा कर दिया, तुम मुझे बोल रहे हो सेट प्ले करना है. तो कह रहे भाई वही तो डीजेइंग होती है. The first 5 people that you can pull from the crowd and then
Yeah,
5
absolutely.
becomes 10 and then 10 becomes 20 and then it becomes 100. वही तो डीजेइंग है भाई.
I've played a show for like 6 people.
Exactly.
I have done that. While on tour, somebody, I won't name the city, but somebody, booked me from a city very far away. I took a flight, I went there. There's only 6 people there. The guy was very nice. He said, "Hi, if you want to leave, you can." And I said, "नहीं यार, ये 6 लोग हैं. अब इनको थोड़ी ऐसे ही जाने देंगे.
Exactly.
उनमें से चाहे 2 लोग मेरा नाम देख के आए हो, तो मैं उनको
अगर
डिसअपॉइंट
एक
क्यों करूं?
प्लेस में ऑलरेडी 400 लोग नाच रहे हैं तो फिर मैं बुला डीजे का काम ही है टू पुल द क्राउड. इफ देयर इज नो क्राउड यू हैव टू पुल 5 पीपल. 5 से 10 से 1000 होते हैं.
Yeah.
सो ये वाली तो चीज उसने बोला मुझे समझ ही नहीं आती कि यार 10 लोगों में मुझे प्ले करवा रहे हो. वो 10 को 1000 बनाना ही तो तुम्हारा काम है.
That's
दैट्स
it,
व्हाट अ गुड डीजे इज.
You do it maybe, this time you're playing a show for 10 people. वो 10 को इतना पसंद आया, वो आगे 20 लोगों को
Exactly.
बताएंगे.
And next time they're like, okay, Kalsi is playing here. I have to go.
That's how we are selling out shows in Chandigarh. I think August, September से लेके अभी तक, there's not even a single show of mine in Chandigarh that's not sold out. Shout out to like everybody in Chandigarh, Sarthak, Viren, all these guys. Like I've got my friends. They help me with the promotions a lot. भाई हमने उस टाइम पे when we started out, the first Friday I played with these guys, थोड़ा कम था crowd. वो बढ़ा. And it's अभी ऐसा सीन है कि उनको लोगों को गेट से भेजना पड़ता है. वो क्यों हो रहा है? Because we're reading the crowd, we're doing the right thing, and
Very few DJs, I'm telling you. In Delhi also, I have my personal few favorite DJs. जिनकी nights होती थी तो I used to be like, इसकी night is पे जाना है. And I used to be so young, 21, 22 back then, and I was like, इसकी नाइट पे जाना है.
Yeah.
जुगनी जैसे पहले
Oh,
होता था.
yeah.
तो आई न्यू जुगनी when he was not even जुगनी. From that time I know him.
Crazy.
And man, I mean the journey that he has. I mean, it's
But
crazy.
like as a
though.
DJ, is it tough to read people, or it has
No, it
become
is.
better?
It is
tough,
definitely
bro.
definitely very difficult. I think mixing आसान है. All the technical stuff is very easy. Anybody can crack it with a master class. मुश्किल है
कि ऑडियंस को क्या पसंद है.
क्या पसंद है.
कंटेंट में भी यही
And then that's where the management also comes. वो भी शो ऐसी जगह नहीं डालेंगे जहाँ पे वैसा क्राउड आएगा जो मुझे बिल्कुल मतलब
सुनेगा ही नहीं.
सुनेगा ही नहीं. इतना ओपन क्राउड आना चाहिए कि मैं भी उनको देख के रीड करके उनको डिलीवर कर सकूं. सो इट्स लाइक वेरी बहुत ज्यादा लोग इन्वॉल्व है और बड़ा ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस है टू डिलीवर एग्जैक्टली व्हाट पीपल वांट.
So in Delhi, what kind of DJ people like?
Mostly doesn't
mostly?
play.
आई डोंट प्ले इन दिल्ली बट
अच्छा.
जितने भी शोज मैंने करे हैं पीपल लव बॉली एफ्रो है.
Bolly Afro, I love Bollywood.
Yeah,
I'm
actually.
a Bollywood person, but I don't understand techno. मुझे
हाँ तो टेक्नो नहीं समझ आता बट बॉली एफ्रो इज दैट वेरी स्वीट स्पॉट.
yeah.
You can dance, you can sing. There's everything going on. So Delhi people love that. People in the north love Bollywood.
No, but I think a lot of people now are turning into this techno.
Full Bollywood.
Paglu. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why.
So ठीक
And
है.
they just go. And I'm
I
like,
was
how
never
can
a
you do
techno
that on a
paglu,
beat?
but I want Punjabi music. I
Yeah.
can't.
I mean, we're not doing enough drugs.
See, I'm a Sadarni, so I like Bollywood music. I don't know about other people, but Afro Bolly is again
Well,
a
more
sweet
than
spot.
Bollywood,
Yeah.
for me, it's Punjabi. Honestly.
Really?
Yeah.
Same. I love
I can't
Punjabi
do-
music.
I don't relate with you guys, but okay. Okay, moving on to our rapid fire round, and then see, you have to answer. You have to give the names. Yeah. So yeah, and we actually had a mirchi round, but we were like, okay, you're coming here for the first time.
डरा ही नहीं
We
देना.
You
will
should not eat mirchi.
We'll not do that with you, but yeah.
Oh, actual spice?
Yeah. We
Oh,
were
bro,
about
I
to.
have like spice tolerance इतनी सी.
तभी
So
हमने
see,
वो
now
नहीं
that's
किया
why
है.
we gave you a cold coffee.
Cold coffee for you.
Super nice.
Okay, let's start. Okay, one DJ better than you. You feel is better than you.
This Daku duo. You know
Okay.
Daku duo. Everybody
Yeah.
knows it. I think.
Yeah.
I'm a fan. If it's a Daku duo,
I've been to his gig.
these guys, man, these two guys,
Crazy.
they are killing it. I take notes the way they interact with the crowd. I do take notes.
There's like with that the thing पूरा मुंह पे से मान
Yeah.
like yeah and all the crowd like
Mhm.
Full
like
vibe,
crazy,
yeah.
bro,
Full
like
vibe.
that.
The
I've seen
energy.
that.
You know, I learned so much from them. The way they mic, the way they talk
Actually,
to
people mirror your energy and then they give out that energy and then people are like, okay, bro, I mean,
Yeah.
it's crazy. वो गाने को और बना देते हैं ना और ज़्यादा. One DJ who is
That's
overrated.
यार नहीं रहना चाहता ये मैं. I think everybody knows.
Okay.
A lot of podcasts, I think every other podcast, every other DJ podcast,
Uh-huh.
same एक ही बंदे का नाम आता है.
किसका?
ठीक है, ठीक है.
किसका?
She knows.
I know.
किसका?
मैं क्या बोलूं?
You gotta tell that.
हाँ.
You gotta tell that to people right
No,
now.
I will not tell you. Tell.
You
That's
have
your
to give
question.
the name because then we want the audience to know your opinion.
I mean, yeah, I wish I had 6 packs.
Okay.
One DJ you secretly compete with.
No, none.
None.
Not at all.
Mm-mm. Good.
Okay. One song you hate but still play.
Anything from Dhurandhar right now.
You already answered that.
Please, we can stop. The tracks are amazing. I love everything. I love my own edits. I love edits that people made. But यार थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया पिछले 2 महीने में.
Come on यार 2 parts निकले हैं 6.5 घंटे का वो है.
और इतने गाने हैं और
गाने
सारे
गाने.
अच्छे हैं.
हाँ, that's true.
सी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ मैं बट दैट्स थोड़ा सुन के हम लाइक
थक
कुछ
गए.
और कर लेते हैं
हाँ.
यार.
That's true. That's true.
One tub with the worst crowd.
ऐसा नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक ठीक है.
can't
हर जगह
recognize
नाचते हैं
you.
लोग बजा लेते हैं ठीक है.
But still,
नहीं एक्चुअली नहीं सच में नहीं. आई हैव नेवर कम लोग हो जाते हैं क्लब्स में बट वो तो किसी भी क्लब के साथ होता है. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ बड़ा गलत हो गया हो एंड I'm like oh my god
कोई इंसिडेंट नहीं रहा ऐसा किसी क्राउड में एक बदतमीजी कर दी हो या
वो तो हो जाता है but I don't think उसके लिए आप
क्लब को नहीं आप कर सकते.
वो तो
वो क्लब स्पेसिफिक चीज नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट एक दिन एक इंसान ज्यादा दारू पी के आया
हाँ हाँ.
and he decided to do something and the club takes care of it. They get kicked out. ठीक है.
Have you ever copied another DJ?
डाकू डुओ यार I learned miking from these guys bro. मैं देख रहा था like माइक उठाता नहीं था मैं. So while DJing जब मैं आया था 3-4 महीने I never even used to get a mic. And then I'm like वो एनर्जी आ रही है बट इसको और कैसे किया जाए. So I went to a डाकू डुओ show and these guys म्यूजिक बंद करा लोगों से फुल इंटरैक्शन बातें कर रहे हैं वो क्राउड से.
That's nice. I
Yeah.
don't know about that.
That's how you
I've
engage
never seen
people.
That's how
them
you
interacting
engage.
with the crowd like that.
Abhi, you have to attend like a recent show of
Go
theirs.
again.
Where is his
Maybe
next
go again.
show?
Yeah.
I don't know. When is it? I'll attend. Definitely. Your
Okay.
turn.
One thing about managers you don't like.
What I you know what ऐसा लगेगा यार बंदा ज्यादा स्वीट है बट सच में यार मेरा मैनेजर बहुत सही बंदा है.
फिर
मेरा-
भी in general आपने लोगों के managers देखे हैं जो
लोगों के मैनेजर्स यार
nagging होते हैं ज्यादा. ये मत करो वो मत करो ऐसे मत करो. But I think that's for your own good only.
वही ना मेरा एग्जैक्टली
Managers ही बनने हैं,
हाँ,
managers.
managers are mothers. Actually, guys, I think managers are mothers.
Mothers.
मेरा भी manager
Yeah.
हमेशा मुझे बचाता है क्योंकि अगर मैं बोलने लग गई जो मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ, you guys are not going to like
नहीं माय मैनेजर इज द कंप्लीट ऑपोजिट. ही सेज बी योरसेल्फ कर दे जो करना है. ही जस्ट
because
एनकरेज
you're an introvert. See, I'm an extrovert. When मैं आती हूँ ना मैदान में बोलने लोगों को अच्छी नहीं लगती वो बातें, so that I keep my mouth shut most of the time. But then still I went ahead and I मेरे podcast start कर दिया. But
Hell yeah. You go girl.
okay. Money or passion? What drives you more?
Passion.
Money का मुँह चलेगा?
थोड़ा सा कम ज्यादा कम नहीं मतलब आता रहना चाहिए.
So money is important, but passion is more important.
It's the first priority is passion.
utmost goal.
Yeah.
Like the, okay.
Okay. Which is a song that would perfectly describe your life?
One song.
Just don't care.
Nice. We'll add that song now.
Okay. So this is the last. It's not a question. It's more like finish the sentence. The DJ industry is actually.
Beyond fuck that you can imagine. Sorry, that got a bit depressing. अभी तक सब sweet चल रहा था, but it is very fucked.
Okay, guys. I think that's about it. What
Yeah.
a crazy podcast, man.
That
We
was
fun stuff.
It was
पता ही नहीं
fun
लगा.
stuff तो था. मजा आया. मुझे
Therapeutic.
बहुत कुछ पता चला DJs के बारे में. Just not about DJing, how they actually feel. Because when you see a DJ facade पे ऊपर ऐसे लगता है this guy is so cool. He has a cool life. But man, the circus show that
Nothing's
goes behind
easy.
the
Nothing's easy.
It's
That's true.
crazy. It's crazy.
It ain't easy.
So, Kalsi, is there something that you would like to tell the audience or anyone who wants to pursue DJ in future? What would that be?
Practice and just be yourself. Practice, because a lot of you guys are being DJs right now. I know a lot of you people are going out there making sure your content is on point. Pehle practice kar lo, and just make sure you're doing it for the passion and not for the views. And if you're just doing that for the passion, तो आप practice कर लोगे, वो हो जाएगा. It's really not that difficult. Rocket science नहीं है. लोगों ने बना दी है कि आपको ये करना पड़ेगा, वो करना पड़ेगा. कुछ मत करो. Do your own thing. Just keep practicing and do it for passion. हो जाएगा.
लेकिन अगर मैथ समझ नहीं आती है तो प्रैक्टिस से भी कुछ नहीं होगा.
Guys, I have a closing statement on this
Go
one.
on.
Next time you go to a DJ, be respectful. They're on the console, man. They're humans and
Yeah,
they're
please.
sweet humans, man. They're very sweet. So, they're cool. I mean, by the looks
I'll
of it,
hand you a
they're cool.
lollipop.
They're sweet. And please don't, press the pause button.
Yeah, please don't.
For heaven's sake.
We don't like that.
On that note, I think, guys, we're coming to an end. We're going to press the pause button for this podcast now. See you guys on our next podcast. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Guys, you're not subscribing to our channel, and I'm not liking
subscribers
it
are
now.
coming, guys. Please subscribe. मैं हर podcast पे बोलती हूँ, भीख मांगती हूँ podcast को.
Now we are
subscribe
begging at
करो,
this point.
please.
Okay?
You have to.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.